Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about we need to find the solution of S. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing I will consider about the function f of s, that is about this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative of the function. So we know that when we do first the derivative of arcsin of 8, we will have about first the derivative of 8 over the square root of 1 minus 8 square. Now we can do similar for this one. So first the derivative of sin s from capital 8, that is about cosine s, and now we have the square root of 1 minus sin s square. So if we do first the derivative of the function equals to number 0, so because we want to find about critical points, so that means we just have only cosine s equals to number 0. So this one we have s equals to b over 2 plus kb, and we know that k belongs to integers. So in this situation we can draw about variation table. So in this situation I will select about k equals to number 0. So we have b over 2 and k equals to number 1. So we have b over 2 plus b. We have 3b over 2 and k equals to negative number 1. I will put this one cone here, and we have negative b over 2. So we have from s, and now I will just select about this region in here. So the next one, that is about first the derivative of y. So we have number 0, 0 and number 0 in here. So this one we have negative infinity. This one we have positive infinity. Now about y. So if we want to know the sign of this one in here, I will select the value next to 3b over 2. So I will choose about 2b in here. So I will put 2b, go back in this one, and we got positive number 1. So the sign in here, that is about positive. So when we go in here, we have negative, positive, negative. So if I put negative b over 2, go back to this one, we have negative b over 2. If I put this one, go back in here, that is about b over 2. Then this one we have negative b over 2. And we know that this is about negative infinity, so that we go in this way. Because this is about positive, so the function will increase. This one negative, they will decrease. And this one we have increased again. So if we repeat the process, they will go to the range from negative b over 2 to positive b over 2. So we know that we have number 3. We know that b over 2 in here, that is about 1.57. So the red line in here represent about y equals to number 3. So I will draw another diagram in here to illustrate for you. So that means they will go up in here and go down in here. Then they will go up in here and here. So this line here, that is about y equals to b over 2. But on the answer, that is about number 3. So number 3, they will go in here. So if we look on the diagram, we can see that y equals to number 3 and the function, we don't have intersection. Because we don't have the intersection in here, that means we don't have the solution. This is the end. Thank you for watching.